taking a video! You're nuts! Look at Megan! And it's raining, thundering, and lightning out. You're nuts! And we have RLP. Watch her make herself get sick. Yeah, this is definitely going up on YouTube and Facebook. As Crazy Girl.
I love how you're filming this.
Hello, I can't put it on. I can't just take pictures. I mean, seriously, it needs to be filmed. So everyone can see just how crazy you are.
Yes, I know, I'm nuts.
I would never do that.
I've done this before, but in a sweatshirt and it got soaked.
Yeah, like I said, I would never do this. Let's hope lightning don't strike.
Why?
I don't know, because that'd make a funny thing, you trying to invade it.
No, it's more like thunder because I hate thunder.
True. Well, hello, there was thundering twice and you didn't freak out. And thunder can't hurt you, lightning can.
I'm a bird.
She's the rain angel here. If she doesn't come to school on Monday or tomorrow, you know why. This is what happened.
Okay, I can imagine like thunder going off and then like me running and then like falling in the pie.
Yeah, and I would catch that all on film.
This is like the first rain of like the season. Dude, I'm not like even really that cold. It's not bad.
No, that's crazy. That means you're just crazy. Oh God, now she's taking out her hair. Oh God. What? Can't see anything.
What?
Can't see anything. Is that what you asked?
I'm gonna go to ROP and my hair's gonna be like green stones like this. Nobody knows what's that.
And everyone will know. Because I'll show this. Definitely going to show this to Christina. 3 minutes. I'm going to. Because if you do something funny, I want to catch it.
My shirt is becoming see-through.
Can't really tell since you're far away, you're not really up close. And I'm not going to even get closer. That would be hilarious if thunder went off right then. And you dropped that.
Oh God, I got wood in my hand.
Why don't you come back in here?
I don't want to. It's so good out here.
Okay, that's